Got our wall laid, and now what we've got to do is strike the joints. So when you finish laying the block, the joints are going to be pretty much flush with the outside. And what you want to come back with a striking tool, and you're going to use that, and what it's going to do is, first of all, it's going to make the joints look better, but the main reason you're doing it is it's going to compress that mortar, and you want to do it before it gets dry. And it's going to look just like that. And normally what I'll do is I'll go along and I'll do all of these verticals, and then I'll come back and strike the horizontal like that. Now when you're at an outside corner, you don't want to come to the outside like that. You'll rake all the mortar out. So start at the outside and come in like that. And then same thing on the ends. Just come in and work your way to the center. But anyway, that's all there is to striking your joints. Hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.